Okay, thanks for the time that given to me. First of all, I will give my rebuttals to the government team. They said that people are not knowledgeable enough regarding general political matters, and to this kind of people who already have kind of knowledge, like for example, expert and educational people, are not sharing this kind of knowledge. They also said that voting is the biggest form of social participation for the future, and then when we have tests, it will be more like an objective, and they also give example like the American who chose Donald Trump based on the narrative promotional etc. Now, rather than the government focusing on the existence of this test, it is better for the government to focus more on cases of, like for example in Indonesia, corrupt state officials. But if the system, like for example in America, is parliamented in Indonesia, it cannot be done. For the commercial purposes, it is promoted by like influencer or people who are in the world of entertainment or the arts. Now, there must be special rules regarding the government to avoid turning in a direction that is not actually like the rule. So it is not only the electoral system that must be considered to avoid fraud and efficiency, like to achieve maximum results, but also the rules for like the leaders or the government themselves. Now, more than that, the opposition team cannot be oriented towards just the American, which is very different from Indonesia, which is still like a developing country. Okay, go to my arguments. Now, I ultimately oppose because first of all, we need to talk about the individual rights and equality, especially in Indonesia, which is a democracy country. When we see the democracy definition itself, it is a government which power and civic responsibility are exercised by all citizens directly or through their freely elected representatives. Democracy rests upon the principles of majority rule and individual rights. Now, every citizen has the right to be elected and to vote in general election based on equal rights through direct, general, free, secret, honest, and like fair voting in accordance with the provisions of the legislation, without any requirement, political test, and so on and so forth. Now, if such a system is implemented, it will be very unfair for people who do not have general knowledge about politics, right? Which is second, please look at the point that Indonesian ideology itself, we have Pancasila. Pancasila was influenced by certain aspects of selected world values and ideologies such as nationalism, humanitarianism, democracy, socialism, and religiosity. Now, kindly underline that the democracy is included in our ideology. So, when the government requires such as the political test, it will be more unfair. And then my next argument is, we all can see that some requirements when someone is able to participate in election, for example, they have been 17 years of age or more on the voting day, they has been married, or they are not being the mentally disturbed or memory or not being referred the right to vote based on a court decision that has permanent legal force, and so on and so forth. And there is no requirement that should take a test first before participating the election. Go to the education aspect. Talk about the political general knowledge itself, it will be unfair also for those who has been old or older. Can they understand what is it about? Can they pass the requirements? We do believe that Indonesia has so many citizens. Seen from the total population in Indonesia, more than 270 million people. If the government implements this system, it will only result in like a fewer people participating in this election. It will also affect the quality of the election result itself. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we see a lot of cases of government in Indonesia. It will be better if the government was more focused on this problem, not just taking care taking care of political tasks for the implementation of elections, because even during this election itself, many officials or many government create problems themselves. So the government must also take part in handling cases against the government, not just the people or the individuals themselves. We ran to other way, such all of my arguments, rather than we would require individual to pass a political general knowledge test in order to vote. That's why we really need to oppose this motion. Thank you.